You emanate so much divine mother healing energy that is very nurturing and healing.
She's been there to guide me, give me a nudge in the right direction. And since then, I felt a lot more ease in my meditations, a lot more deepening, and a lot of healing.
She can really connect.
I'm able to help myself out in situations where I was kind of lost before.
And after every session, I felt so much better and had so much more strength.
Every session with Noëlle, to me, is like an energy boost, really. Afterwards, I always feel better than before.
I'm more content with myself all over.
Noëlle always finds a way to address those issues in her meditations that are most relevant in that particular situation for me.
Her calm manner and the exciting questions allow me to reflect my own behavior and to look it from a different perspective.
I learned a lot of my feelings and my
emotions. It's not always that easy, but she made it very easy. My life changed a lot throughout these 2 years. I have more money than 2 years ago. I weigh less than 2 years ago. I feel more healthy than 2 years ago. My company is growing.
My life really upgraded.
The advantage of training with Noëlle is the extremely high level of knowledge and personal attention.
All the tips were very useful and sustainable. Noëlle has a very sensitive nature and can quickly untie the knots in your head. Her voice is very calming and relaxing.
Very deep meditation and
astonishing silence.
Yes, it's a little problem for the mind to understand what's happening.
People feeling your presence, you know.
For me, Noëlle is a miracle and an expression of loving kindness.
You emanate that divine love and compassion.
The inner peace was very satisfying and exciting to experience.
Calms me down in a way perfect.
It was a great support in a difficult moment of my life. My wife has also reflected that I'm more easygoing and sociable again.
I am now able to be my own caretaker.
You will be a beacon of light for the world.
I think it's useful for everybody.
Noëlle is really gifted as a listener and as a mentor and coach, and she can just feel whatever I need in that particular situation.
So I'm in deep gratitude to Noëlle and what she's doing, and I highly recommend her.